I was thinking about the word mastery, master that was being spoke of, and I thought about, at least when I hear the word master, I always think of mother and star. That's mother and child. Before you knew it was a God, your mother was your God. Someone had to teach you that there was a God.
That's right, black man.
Whether it be your mother that told you it was a God, you didn't know a God until she told you or somebody told you. But when you came out that womb, you weren't looking for no book. You was looking for a breast. So that's a master. So as we grow up, we become influenced. We accept certain things. That's why we come back to Africa, so we can get regrounded. I think it was said that our culture is, I don't know, maybe it was Maria Ami, she said that, that your culture is your antidote. So I can't remember how she spoke it, but it was something similar to like that. So anytime people lose their way, they need to go back to where they came from, wherever you came from, wherever you think.
Say, go far.
Yeah. And it, so with that, I guess the affirmation that I don't say it too much anymore. But one, I know when I was in the beginning of my journey, so to speak, I would say that if it is to be, it is up to me. Period. So just with that, no excuses. I don't allow myself to come up with excuses. I just come up with answers. I'm not allowed to think like a slave anymore. Yeah. I think it's time that we stop using excuses like the word stolen, like we were stolen when we lost our language. There's nothing stopping us from reclaiming it right now. If you think about it, if you set aside, let's say if you have a half-hour commute to work, you got 30 minutes. 30 minutes you work, let's say 2,000 hours out of a year. You can learn a language. 5 years you can get 5 languages done. That's if you want to. So it's kind of it's up to you. Like I said, if it's to be, it is up to you.
3 times together. If it's to be,
it's up to me. If it's to be, it's up to me. So to me, it's up to me. So that's kind of the attitude that I live by. It's nothing I don't pretty much, I don't talk about it. It's in me just to do it. I'm not like a motivational speaker, nothing like that. I just do. I'm in the business of doing. So,
you don't do motivation, you don't walk in motivation. You be motivation.
So I
live motivation.
So outside of that, I just continue.
That's when the interview has to begin. Yeah, give it up. See, here's the thing. Oh, wow. Hey. Look, families intact like this don't just pop up. See, this is a family that is leading the way on the journey, and make sure you take the opportunity to ask whatever you want to know at any time, because we're one family. Our strength is in our unity. I'm going to let Princess have the mic back so she can close us out as well as she began. And yeah, I did have a question regarding how, thank you for bringing me back on post. You've been to Kemet 3 times? Yes. Yes, 3 times, family, to Nile Valley, to where it all began. There was a word that was mentioned and it just totally I got goosey bumpies all over me. And it was Elephantine Island. Elephantine Island. And everybody knows that. That wasn't even a question, but Aswan. Well, that was some real beginnings there, and I have a strong family there. They came and got me, and the ancestors took me there to Aswan. But Elephantine, when I heard that, that was one of the sign words for me, Mama. I'm speaking to the elder on this bus. And we're going to come back and put that permission in place because we have an elder, and I ain't she. I'm not the elder on this bus. There's one that has yielded much more respect and quiet dignity and power than me, certainly. And we do want you to introduce yourself when this family prepare to take them seats, if it's appropriate time-wise, but you'll be the next one. I want to thank you so much.